Hey guys, welcome back. It's a nice brisk day. We're in the 30s right now. We gotta get our garlic in the ground before it's too late. We gotta clean up the garden the rest of the way. We're gonna finish out the pumpkins and put everything away in the front. We've gotten all of our spotlights away. I have Graham out here with me. We're gonna get things done. We got a lot of work ahead of us. Once I pull out whatever's left in the garden, we're gonna ferment the rest of the peppers and pull up any onions or carrots or anything that we have left in the garden. So we have a lot of work, so let's get started.
Let's get started.
We're gonna pick these up. We're gonna put them into the cart for the deer to eat. Okay? Which one are you gonna do first? So I know in the past I said I was going to do the garlic in the four corners, but since this year would mark the full round robin of us putting it back all the way in the very first garden bed where we started almost 4 years ago, we are going to mix things up, and I'm actually going to start using the center beds for it as well. After some experience and knowing what we've actually used the trellises for, I think it's going to be okay to put everything in here because we're not going to have anything that's going to cover that up too much based on where the sun is actually hitting. We're going to be using the bed that we used for the cucumbers. So we're adding some potting mix that we're going to mix into the compost that we have here. It's a potting mix with compost in it. And what we'll do is we'll add some fertilizer to this as we're mixing it all up so that the ground is kind of amended and it's ready to go. And we'll get the garlic situated and in here. And we're going to be amending it with a biotone. Let's spread it and mix it in with the other side. Everything's all spread out. Add fertilizer and mix it in. This year, instead of picking up at the farmer's market, I got red Chinooks from M.I. Gardner. We're going to be planting almost solely these throughout the entire garden. Alright, so that's what we have for planting, and these are the ones that kind of came loose and the skin came off. You want to make sure the skin is all still intact all the way around before you plant it. So now we'll place all these out and see how many we have. We've gone over this in a bunch of different videos. I've already started. I'm going to explain it to Graham and for you guys first. You can see it's almost like a tear job with a flat end here, and it comes to a peak at the top. When you plant this, you plant it about 1 inch to 2 inches into the ground. This is going to go straight down. This is where your roots are going to come from, and the plant is going to grow from the top here at the point. The flat end goes in, and you're going to push it in for like 1 inch. And that's 1. So that's 21. 2 and 3 How many do we have?
156.
That's a lot of garlic. So that's 156 red Chinooks that I planted. So we'll see how that goes for us this year. Once I start doing the lawn for the final cut, I'll probably rake up some leaves, make a leaf mulch, throw that down right on top, and that'll be it. And we wait for spring. All right, let's start pulling plants. Our onions. We got shallots over here. All of them are ready. Pull them. If they're not, then keep throwing. If they're not hard, they get thrown away. Can't use them, we don't want them. Yeah, go ahead. What does it taste like? What about all? All right, guys, so we got the rest of it all cleaned up. Tomato beds are finished. Garlic planted. All the mint is cleaned up. And the beds are cleaned out. And the ground has all been cleaned up inside the garden. The final step will be creating a leaf mulch, putting that down on top of the garlic, and that'll finish it off for winter. And that's going to be it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.